finally figured out how to capture video with audio. Took a while. I'm just here to say hello. Goodbye. I don't really know. Feeling so flat like a cheese nip. Today, at the grocery store, I was running around like this, saying derp, derp to random people, and it was just the funniest thing ever. Everyone was laughing so hard, and I was like, ha 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 ha. Yeah. So, I started this YouTube channel because I got really bored one day. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make a YouTube channel. So I did. And that's how that happened. So subscribe. There'll be lots of videos because I'm really bored all the time. So, oh my gosh. My best friend decided like an Uvu. Uvu, yeah. You should get an Uvu and then add me. We could talk all the time. My best friend decided, and she has the best name for her Uvu. Haley and Alyssa are uber hot. We are uber hot. By the way, I'm Haley. Haley, Holly, whatever the fuck you want to pronounce it. Oh yeah, that's right, I got my American accent now. Haley, Holly, Haley, how the fuck you want to pronounce it. I can talk on my American accent all I want. But no, I'm not going to, because I don't really like it. Okay, I have a double chin. I have a triple chin. So, I'm gonna go now, because I'm probably boring you all to death. But you know what, it's quite alright. I'm gonna redo the scene punk rock emo hairdo, and I'm gonna show you how to do makeup, different types of makeup, different types of hairstyles, how to dye a coon tail. I'm pretty sure if my mom lets me. Yeah. I don't like negatively, I don't know how to put this, but I don't like negative comments, so if you don't like my stuff, let's put it this way, if you don't like my stuff, fuck off. Not to be bitch nothing, but don't just put, I mean, like, if you like my stuff, put on the bottom, like, you know, the comments, put like, oh, you're amazing, I love you. I'd like that, that'd make my day. I would send you a video response or something to one of your videos, or subscribe to your channel, or talk to you or something, encourage you to get Nuvu, and I can almost guarantee I'll get back to you. If you comment, or, you know, yeah, I can almost guarantee I'll get back to you. And if you don't like my channel, or if you don't like one of my videos, put down, you could do better, not, you stupid bitch, stop talking in your fucking whatever, and be nice. I know nice people get nowhere in life, but you know what, you're gonna have to be nice on this channel, because I don't like hostility. Yeah. I look horrible right now, but that's okay. Mostly everyone on YouTube does anyways. Okay, so I will get back to people on at least daily, maybe weekly, I don't know, depends on my schedule. So right now it's summertime, summertime's ending. Excuse me. Okay.